Okay, let's go. Okay.
All right, you got the internship. Congratulations. But what now? This video is your guide to maximizing your internship from day one to offer letter, and even a total career pivot. Yes, that's valid too.
Start strong by setting personal and professional goals. Want to improve your communication skills? Learn a specific software. Network with people in your department. Write it down, then share your goals with your manager. That way, they know what you're hoping to get out of this and can actually help you get there. It is very important to set meaningful goals. Check out the SMART Goal Framework to guide you on your goal-setting journey. S. Specific. M. Measurable. A. Achievable. R. Relevant. T. Time-bound. If you're looking for more info on upskilling once your goals are set, check out some of the platforms on the screen.
Now, let's get real. Internships aren't always smooth sailing. You might feel overwhelmed, out of place, or unsure how you're doing. That's totally fine. The key? Talk to your manager and your coworkers. Ask for help. Ask for feedback. Clarify expectations. Don't ghost your supervisor. If confused, communicate early and often.
Whether it's figuring out office culture or juggling new tasks, remember, you're learning. That's literally the point. Making mistakes is part of everyone's journey, and it is not something to shy away from. Own up to the error, learn from it, and continue on your development journey.
And don't forget to reflect. At the end of each week, take 5 minutes to jot down what you worked on, what you learned, and anything that stood out. These notes will be gold later, like when you're updating your resume or prepping for interviews.
Speaking of resumes, track your wins. Led a project, solved a problem, got a shout out in a meeting, write it down. These moments make great resume bullets and interview stories. Consider creating an accomplishment document, a personal page of all of your projects, tasks, and wins at each position you hold. This will make creating resumes and prepping for interviews a breeze.
And if things are going well, you might even be able to turn this internship into a full-time offer. Ask about future opportunities, express your interest, and show up with an A+ attitude. And hey, there's a chance that the internship wasn't a match, or maybe it turned out not to be what you originally expected. Regardless, the experience can still be counted as a win. You've developed your skills, gained more clarity on what you want to do for the future, and made some valuable connections along the way.
Bottom line, an internship is what you make it. Set goals, stay open, and reflect on your growth. Whether it leads to a job offer or a pivot, you're leveling up.